Okay mga kamads, mga kaibigan, pag-usapan po natin tong post nitong si Prince Umpad na to na very popular ngayon sa mga ganitong klaseng posting. Ito yung mga tinatawag na micro-vlogs eh. Hindi siya essays. Maiksi lang kasi siya. It's micro. So, it's micro-vlog. So, ano ba yung konteksto? Now, I would like us to listen in first dito kay OG Diaz, interview niya with Dennis Padilla. Konti lang.
Ano talaga yung feeling mo na ikaw maghahatid sa altar?
Yes, because of those words. Sabi niya, good morning, Pa. Sabi ko, why? I need to tell you something. Ano sabi niya? Pa, hindi na tuloy yung kasal.
Okay, so isa-summarize ko lang to without any filters hopefully. In-invite kasi ni Claudia si Dennis dun sa kasal. Okay, in-invite niya, sabi niya ganun, punta ka. Kaso walang physical invitation kay Dennis. So si Dennis nagtataka, bakit kaya walang physical invitation? And yung nanay din ni Dennis kasi invited. So pagdating nila doon, pinaupo siya doon sa mga tito. Hindi siya kasali sa program essentially. Nagulat siya. Ngayon, aalis na dapat si Dennis. Lumapit sa kanya yung coordinator. Sabi niyang ganon, gusto daw ni Claudia na merong picture si Dennis with the family. Okay. Now, hindi ko alam personally yung mga details nito kasi isang side lang naman yung narinig ko kay Dennis. Pero, ang standpoint ko rito is bilang tatay, masakit talaga yan. Okay. Plain and simple, masakit yan na yung anak mo, halos isuka ka sa kasal and itchapwera ka eh. Ganun yung nangyari. Not totally itchapwera kasi gusto niya lang ng pictorial, pero fact of the matter is hindi siya nagmamatter dun sa whole program. Okay? It hurts when you are the father of the bride and nandun ka lang sa Gedli. And to emphasize this point, miski yung tita niya na si Claudine, sabing gano'n na si Claudine daw ay hindi invited din. And yung tita niya kasi daw close daw sila. Anyway, that's the long and the short of the story nito. Kung gusto niyo ng full context, basahin niyo to. Tapos kasi malalim talaga tong lore na to eh. May 4 months ago may interview pa si Dennis Padilla with OG Diaz. Ang gusto niya lang naman is reconciliation. Kaso mukhang hindi na mangyayari yon. Kasi nga, pinatay na nila dito sa kasal na to. So, basahin naman natin, given all that context, yung post ni Prince Umpad. To the father of the bride, you were invited and that should be enough. Okay? Your daughter gave you a seat at her wedding despite the distance, despite the years she let you in. That was her way of showing respect. But instead of holding to the moment with grace, you choose to speak out. Not to her, not in private, but everyone else. You said you felt disrespected, but respect isn't earned through noise. Okay? Gusto ko lang basahin muna. The wedding wasn't about you. It was your day, your moment. You were there. That was already more than some father get. You could have stayed quiet and you could have done it about her. But you did that. She gave you a chance. You turned into a sin. That's not what fathers do. Respect cannot be demanded, it is earned. Okay, so unti-untiin natin to ha, dahan-dahanin natin na. Una muna, to the father, eto muna, your daughter gave you a seat at our wedding despite the distance. Despite the year, she let you in. Was her way of showing respect. Una, ayaw kasi ni Dennis talaga pumunta. Okay? Pero they insisted on nakunin siya. Sinama pa niya yung nanay niya. They were expecting at least, kasi father of the bride ka lang naman, tatayo ka lang doon sa altar, hahatid mo yung anak mo, done. Hindi nangyari yon. Doon siya na-disappoint. Okay lang yung walang upuan eh. Hindi naman yun yung issue dito. Yung issue dito is paghahatid sa altar. Kasi napaka-short ng buhay natin. Ilang beses ka bang ikakasal sa buhay mo? Once? Twice? Thrice? What if eto na yung last time na ikakasal yung anak niya? So, isang beses na lang mangyayari yon. And given yung edad ni Dennis, hindi naman siguro in the next 20 years ikakasal uli yung anak niya. Gets? And dapat din kasi panoorin niyo yung interview niya 4 months ago. What Dennis want essentially is to a reconciliation. Mukhang hindi na mangyayari yon because of what happened dito. That's why nag-vent out siya kay OG Diaz. Do I agree with this venting out? No. Kasi gusto ko sana i-private na lang nila. But mga public figures kasi sila eh. So, people will ask, bakit ganon na si Dennis hindi kasali sa program? Alam mo yun, these are just basic shit na as a public figure. That's why nagsalita siya. And of course, kayo din, you also have the rights to whether paniwalaan siya or hindi. Nasa sa inyo yun kasi nga it happened publicly. And being Ibarreto, very famous siya. Okay? So eto, medyo agree ako dyan to keep it private. Pero I also understand the dynamics of the Barreto family. It's a very very public it's a very very public feud yung nangyari sa kanila. Yung kaya yung mga ganito, you kind of expect it in that sense, 'di ba? You said you felt disrespected, but respect isn't earned through noise. Ayan, no? Kung hindi pala nila kasi iuupo si Dennis malapit kay Claudia or at least paghahati rin sa altar, sana hindi na nila in-invite to begin with. Kasi as tatay, masakit yan. Masakit talaga yan. Kasi yung anak mo, inalagaan mo yan from sanggol hanggang hanggang dun sa point na nagkautak siya tapos nagkahiwalay kayo. But you are still the father. Okay, ginagamit mo yung tatay mo pa rin yan card. No, this is just once in a lifetime kasi. 'Di ba? Once in a lifetime. Obviously, hindi naman siguro, maybe, most likely, hindi naman yan ikakasal ulit eh. That's my point here. Okay, you should have stayed quiet and you could have made it about her but you did not. Okay, hindi nga eh, kasi nga, etong interview na to, winawakasan niya na talaga, na ayaw niya na maging ma-involve dun sa asawa, sa anak niya. Okay. She gave you a chance, you turn it into a sin. That's not what fathers do. Again, you have to be specific with the details dito sa nangyari na to eh. And who are the people na involved? These are public figures, mga lods. That's why, well, ganun talaga, nasa public space ka. Pag nasa public space ka and alam ng tao yung buhay mo, you kinda have to defend yourself. Unlike sa aming mga vloggers, we only do commentary. So, konting-konti lang yung alam nyo nangyayari sa mga buhay namin. And even if konti lang yung alam nyo, hindi naman din yun, hindi ako personally, hindi ko na para kay kwento sa inyo. But, sila kasi bukas na libro talaga yung buhay nila. That's why, yun. And of course, it should be also noted na miski si Claudine Barreto hindi invited. And iyak daw ng iyak si Claudine, sabi ni Dennis. So, talagang may feud dun sa pamilya nila. So, ang request lang din kasi ni Claudia is she wants a picture of Dennis and the groom and the bride. Yung ganito, yan lang yung request niya. So, yeah, pinagbigyan naman. Pero sana din maintindihan nyo na pwede rin mag-vent out yung kabila. Kasi nga, pinagbigyan kayo. Hindi kami naman, di ba? Fair. Fair is fair. And winakasan na rin ni Dennis yung yung samahan nila nung anak niya. And that's a very painful way of letting go. Okay, so ayan, hinabaan niya pa. I understand the father, it must hurt to feel like a guest to his daughter life. Maybe he was hoping for more. No, madali lang yung gusto ni Dennis, ihatid lang sa altar. Alam mo yun? Kahit niya umupo siya dun sa harap, okay lang eh. Ang problema lang, ang gusto lang talaga is yung moment na yun. Kasi that's a once in a lifetime moment. Di na maulit yan. Alangan namang i-rewind yan para dun sa moment na yun. Of course not. Maybe he thought this was his moment too, but the pain doesn't justify making it public. Okay. Well, they are public figures, idol. Yun yung kailangan mong intindihan. This feud is very public. Okay. Hindi... Some things are better said in private than to face-to-face. Wedding are meant for peace, not for bringing up the past. Actually, gusto nga kasi ni Dennis na reconcile. Both sides are hurting, both sides have reasons, but respect is something we build, something we demand. Actually, ang feeling ni Dennis nung pinanonood ko to, he felt betrayed. Kasi ang pinapunta siya ang expected niya, since siya yung father of the bride, then ihahatid niya lang at the very least. Mabilis lang yun, hahatid mo lang yun sa anak mo sa altar and then upo ka na after or tayo ka na after Yun yung hindi naibigay, na sa tingin ko dun yung kinagagalit ni Dennis. Kasi this is one way of burying the hatchet. Tapos na yung mga problema natin. But papahabain nila, mukhang kakamatayan na nila yon. And that is sad, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. So, ano ang lesson dito? Respect is earned ba? Or something like this? Yan yung pinaka-basic eh. No, ang tingin kong dapat na lesson dito is matuto tayong magpatawad. Okay. Forgiveness or yung reconciliation, especially to a father and to a daughter, dapat yun yung aralin natin. Sa tingin ko, yun yung pinaka-importante. Anyway, Dennis Padilla, I won't vote for you. Huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi, counselor lang naman tinatakbuhan niya eh. Pero, kay Claudia, I think, well, may point naman talaga na i-call out si Dennis dito. Pero sana, di mo na lang in-invite. Okay, yun lang naman yung sa akin for today. Bigay mga lods.